Hi, my name's Nigel Keegan. I'm a qualified clinical hypnotherapist. I practice in Nantwich in Cheshire. I help my clients overcome a range of issues, ranging from things like stress and anxiety, which are all too common in this day and age, to things like fears and phobias. People are afraid of many different things. I see people for fear of spiders, all sorts of insects, snakes, dogs, rats, right the way through to the fear of flying, or maybe dentists, doctors, other medical professionals, needles in general. Whatever the fear or phobia, hypnotherapy can be very helpful in helping resolve this for good. Also, people wanting to break certain habits they may have. Smoking, for instance, or excessive eating or drinking, recreational drug use, or even just things as simple as nail biting or teeth grinding. Again, hypnotherapy can be very helpful in resolving all these issues. The way I like to operate with my clients is to invite them in first of all for an initial consultation. This is an informal chat really, lasting around 20 to 30 minutes. And I really use this to try and get to know the client a little better, to find out a little more about them and their problem, how the problem affects them, how it makes them feel. I also like to use this time to dispel any myths or misconceptions they may have about hypnosis in general. People see a lot of things on television and you'd be surprised what people actually think hypnosis is. Some people think I can take control of their mind or make them do or say things they don't want to say or do, which actually is complete nonsense, because a hypnotherapist cannot make you say or do anything you don't want to do. You remain fully aware at all times when you're under hypnosis, and at any time you're able to bring yourself out of it. Following the initial consultation, it's very much up to the individual client whether they'd like to then proceed to treatment. If they decide to go ahead, I will develop a bespoke treatment plan, because everyone is different. Sessions will range. It's very difficult to tell how many sessions a person will need, but generally between maybe 2 to 5 sessions. The good thing about hypnotherapy is it's not a long drawn out therapy. It's something that generally can be resolved quite quickly. You'll start to feel differently after a session or two, and it may seem a little strange at first, because we all get into habits and you may be used to the way you feel, but you'll start to feel different. And then after the sufficient number of sessions, you'll be able to tell me that you've achieved what you want to achieve and that you feel different. And the great thing about hypnotherapy is it doesn't wear off. Once you've resolved the problem, you've resolved it for good.